That's the alarm downstairs tested, Norman, but you're supposed to have one on every floor.
Oh, don't worry, Fireman Sam. There's one up there.
Ah, that's excellent, Norman. And to keep it dust-free, you should use a vacuum cleaner. Whoa, I think you need to clean this a little more often, Norman.
All right, Sam.
Now, you have to make sure your parents check the batteries every week. These batteries seem a little dead, Norman.
No, they're not. They're in my remote-controlled racing car.
Norman, you must never take the batteries out of a smoke alarm to put in a toy car. There you are, Norman. In perfect working order. And remember, if you don't have a smoke alarm, call your local fire department, who may fit them free of charge.